Welcome to Survey Building 101. In this tutorial, I'll be discussing survey customization, including how to customize the way your survey looks and how to use our HTML editor to create incredibly flexible surveys. Let's jump in. To access the Appearance Editor, click on the Appearance tab. Changes that you make here will apply to your entire survey. To change the background, you can select one of our built-in themes or click the Settings button to open the color chooser. Note that Phonic will automatically select either white or black font depending on the background color you choose to ensure maximum contrast. You can also change the font face by selecting one of 4 pre-programmed fonts, and you can change the text alignment from center to left or right. Custom branding can be added in 2 places, the welcome screen and the top left corner. Images uploaded to the welcome screen will appear above the welcome text. Images added to the top left will replace the Powered by Phonic logo in the top left corner on every page. Additional customization can be achieved by using some HTML in your question text. Through HTML, you can customize attributes like font face, font size, font color, bolding, underlining, and italicizing. HTML can be added directly in the question text editor. In the example on the screen, HTML has been added to change the font face, size, and color. You can also add HTML to your question subtext to further customize the way your survey looks. Many different types of surveys and studies require that multimedia be presented to participants, and then their response to the media is recorded. The ability to upload media with Phonic is easy. Mouse over the question of interest and click on the photo icon. Here you will see a few different options for uploading media, including uploading images, audio, and video, embedding YouTube videos or a video stored on Google Drive, adding custom HTML code, and embedding a website. When media is uploaded to a question, it will appear directly under the question text, but above the required response. If you need more flexibility for how you wish to present stimuli, or even in the types of stimuli that you can add to a question, then you can use our custom HTML editor. Custom HTML can be used to enhance your survey in so many different ways. With custom HTML, you can add multiple media files or stimuli types to a single question, embed Google Slides, downloadable documents, or any other documentation hosted online, and even add tables, callouts, and tooltips. And there's so much more. Anything that you can do with HTML and CSS, you can add to Phonic using our HTML editor. And that concludes our Survey Building 101 tutorial series. Thanks for joining me on this journey. In our next tutorial series, I'll be discussing languages in Phonic, including how to run a fully multilingual survey. See you then!